Hello everyone, hope you're fine and doing good. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will tell you about the dual WhatsApp in your device Vivo X Note and X Fold. So if in this device you want to download a dual WhatsApp, or you can say the second WhatsApp, if you already have one but you want to use another one, you can do this by the method that I will tell you in this video. Before starting, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Follow the steps and watch complete video and learn about the dual WhatsApp in your device. Let's watch the video.